Today, we're diving into the world of project management with two heavyweights, Jira and Wrike. Jira, an Atlassian product, is known for its flexibility, while Wrike is celebrated for its user-friendly design. We'll explore 5 crucial aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's go!
Let's take a quick look at Jira and Wrike's main features. Jira features include customization. Jira excels in adaptability, offering extensive custom workflows tailored to your team's needs. Advanced reporting. With robust reporting features, Jira provides detailed insights to project progress and team performance. Integration ecosystem. Jira's vast integration options ensure seamless collaboration with other tools. Scalability. Jira is the go-to for large enterprises handling complex projects. Wrike features include intuitive interface. Wrike boasts an easy-to-navigate interface, making it accessible for teams of all sizes. Task dependencies. Wrike allows for efficient task management with clear dependencies. Real-time collaboration. Wrike focuses on real-time collaboration, enhancing team communication. Automation. With smart automation, repetitive tasks become a breeze.
Comparing the pricing structure, Jira offers a user-based pricing model, starting at around $10 per user per month. Wrike, on the other hand, adopts a tiered structure, with plans starting at $9.80 per user per month. For specific needs, check each platform's pricing page for more detailed and up-to-date information. In user experience, Jira's learning curve may challenge some users, especially in smaller teams. Conversely, Wrike's intuitive design provides a smoother onboarding process, making it a more accessible option for diverse ranges of users. Jira excels in catering to agile software development teams, boasting robust customization and advanced reporting features. However, its steeper learning curve may pose challenges, particularly for smaller teams. On the other hand, Wrike stands out for its intuitive interface, real-time collaboration, and task automation, making it accessible for teams of all sizes. While Wrike may have limitations in customization compared to Jira, its user-friendly design and efficient task management make it an appealing choice for a wide range of users.
If Jira and Wrike don't quite fit your needs, consider some alternatives like Asana and Monday.com, offering unique features catering to different project management styles.
In the battle of Jira versus Wrike, the winner really depends on your team's priorities. For extensive customization and scalability, Jira might be the right fit, while Wrike excels in simplicity and user-friendly design. Check the links in the description to explore these tools further. Don't forget to subscribe and explore our other Easy Internet tips. Thank you.